Why is the skyline of Chicago so undeniably famous? While known as the Windy City for its braggadocio, this city's true identity was forged in steel and glass during a unique era of innovation. In the late 19th century, Chicago faced a catastrophic fire that forced architects to abandon traditional masonry in favor of new materials like steel and reinforced concrete to rebuild faster. This necessity birthed the skyscraper. The city became a laboratory for creativity in business and design, producing food and chemicals while simultaneously redefining what a building could achieve structurally. The legacy continues today through institutions like the Chicago Architecture Center, which offers deep insights into the historical development that turned disorder and corruption into organized urban excellence. Travelers flock to the Chicago Riverwalk not just for scenic views, but because it highlights how the city's layout and waterways were integral parts of this architectural evolution. This reputation for creativity extends beyond buildings. Chicago proudly hosts the James Beard Awards, proving that the city's spirit of innovation applies to culinary arts just as it does to structure. The Chicago Architecture Biennial celebrates these towering structures globally, reminding us that the city's most impressive feat is not just height, but the enduring power of human design. From the Riverwalk to the highest bridges, Chicago proves that necessity drives genius. Which iconic building do you think define the modern era best? Let us know in the comments.